Mercedes-Benz is pushing the future of car manufacturing with the rollout of the new CLA at its factory in Rastatt, Germany. This is not just another car launch, it is the start of a smarter, cleaner, and more efficient production strategy. The plant now features artificial intelligence, a digital twin simulation system, and for the first time, the Mercedes-Benz operating system in full action. This digital transformation is a clear sign that Mercedes-Benz is putting innovation first. The new CLA is electric, and its components are sourced from multiple German sites. The drive units and axles come from Stuttgart unter Turkheim, while body parts and structures are handled in Kuppenheim. The high-voltage batteries are built in Kamenz, which has been a center for battery expertise for over 13 years. These parts all come together in Rastatt, which has been reimagined for this next chapter. Mercedes-Benz invested a mid-triple-digit million euro sum into making Rastatt fit for the future. The production line itself was designed virtually before it was ever built, saving time and resources. Advanced simulations helped engineers model every detail, and now, vehicles with combustion engines, plug-in hybrids, and full electric drivetrains all share the same flexible production setup. What is really exciting is the environmental commitment. Rastatt runs on 100% green electricity. Solar modules can generate up to 8 megawatts of peak energy, and new energy-saving robots, ventilation systems, and LED lighting have cut down energy use by over 15 gigawatt hours per year. Mercedes-Benz is also building its first organic solid-flow battery storage system here, with a capacity of around 11 megawatt hours. Beyond efficiency, the company is committed to the workforce and community. With 6,000 employees, the Rastatt plant is the region's largest employer. From using electric trucks to transport vehicles 600 kilometers to Zeebrugge, to recycling scrap aluminum and steel in nearby Kuppenheim, Mercedes-Benz is redefining what it means to be a sustainable car maker. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest from Mercedes-Benz and other groundbreaking automotive news.